What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to crop photos on your Android phone. Now currently I'm using a Samsung Galaxy phone, so I'm going to simply open up my photos here and I will simply select a photo. So I'm going to choose this picture here of my son who is playing, and yeah, let's say I want to crop this. I just need to tap on that photo until I get the options here, and at the bottom you will see a pencil icon, so you want to tap on that. It will put this in the mode where you can do quite a few things, and one of them is the crop. And as you can see below is the crop icon selected, and in order to, let's say, crop this, all you have to do is just simple drag one of the side and just bring it up to where you want to crop it. You can crop it in various directions. You can crop it all the way down to whatever you want. So as you see here, I am cropping it and the quality is still the same. Very nice. Now once you finish, just simply click on save, and there you have it. The photo is cropped and very nice. Now once you back out, you will see that the photo is cropped. Now once the photo is cropped, guys, if you realize when I go back to my photos, I'm not able to see the original. But you can easily go ahead and revert back to the original. All you have to do is just simply click on the three dots on the uppermost right hand side of the picture and just click revert to original, and that is going to revert back the photo to its original form so that you can easily have it. Very easy and very simple.